In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through some basic steps on how to use your Trust Wallet account, such as changing to any currency of your own choice. If you wish to change to any preferred currency, simply open up your Trust Wallet account. On this page, you will have to tap on the settings icon right here. On the settings page, you will then select this option of preferences. Then tap on currency. Select any currency of your own choice, and it will get added as your wallet currency. You can decide to undo this option at any time. That's the same way you can change language. Just tap on language right here to select to any language of your own choice. In case of any inconvenience, get back to your settings page and scroll down onto the option of support to talk directly to any Trust Wallet agent. That's how easy it is to change currency on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. See you in the next one.